Trucker John Doe was eastbound on a divided four-lane highway in Kansas. A steady morning rain made the commute a little slick. Up ahead, about 600 feet, was a flatbed trucker in the same right-side eastbound lane. Like John Doe, the flatbed driver was going slightly below the posted speed limit. Suddenly, Doe noticed a westbound straight truck drifting out of control across the grass-covered median. The truck went directly into the path of the flatbed truck, who had banked right and braked hard. The two trucks collided at a speed close to zero, but in the process blocked both lanes. While braking, Doe saw no option but to steer onto the shoulder to avoid an accident. The muddy shoulder caused Doe's vehicle to slide partially off the road and get stuck. Was this accident preventable or not? Upon review, the National Safety Council ruled it was non-preventable. Specifically, Doe had reduced speed, maintained under normal circumstances a safe space cushion, reacted swiftly and taken the only defensive measure available to him.